Hey everybody! Hope everybody is home and safe and not getting too bored. Today we are going to be making tacos. I don't know what day of the week it is anymore, but I hope it's Taco Tuesday. So we're going to be making some guac, some salsa verde, tortillas from scratch, refried beans. Whatever you don't have at home, you can just skip it. Tacos are like a canvas. You can put whatever you have, and veg, vegan, meat, you can put whatever you like. So we're gonna start. So for the avocado guac, you need of course an avocado, some chopped tomato, green chilies, coriander, onion, olive oil, lemon, and salt. For the tortilla, you need some refined flour, some baking powder, and some warm water, which is still to be boiled. For the refried beans, you need some boiled rajma, some cumin powder, some coriander stem, and some garlic. For the salsa verde, we're going to be charring some of this. So green of the spring onion, white of the spring onion, a chili, an orange, the inside of the tomato from here because you're at home, don't want to waste stuff, some coriander, and then you can top it up with literally whatever you have. I'm using some charred corn, broccoli, maybe a scrambled egg. Alright, so for the salsa verde, we're going to make a marinade of some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and then just sort of toss the greens. And we have the gas hot with this grill that my mom uses for pulkas. You can use it for this. It's going to get a little smoky, so open the window or your exhaust. I'm not putting it on because it's going to make a lot of noise. And then you can do the same with the white. You don't have to cook it, just char it a little bit. It's going to be nice and flavorful. Yeah. Okay, so we have all this charred vegetables in the mixing jar. And we're going to add like a whole orange. It gives it like this nice acidity. Some tomato, coriander, and then we're just gonna blitz it. This is semi done. I added some olive oil. I'm gonna add some salt and blitz it a little more until it is completely smooth. The oil actually helps it become smooth, so you can add a lot of oil as long as it emulsifies. So for the refried beans, we have some garlic browning in the pan. And then we can add the coriander stems and the boiled rajma with a little bit of a stock. This is going to allow it to cook. And the only real flavor in the rajma is garlic, cumin, and the coriander stems. And we have to cook it till a point that you can actually mash it up. And it's a little pasty, like something you can apply on the tortilla. So the salsa verde is ready. Next we're gonna do some guac. So we have that here as well. Mashed up the avocado. Gonna add some tomato, some onion, some coriander, green chili, lots and lots of lime. Don't be afraid to put the lime. You can balance it with the salt, and that's literally the magic of this anyway, the acid and the salt. So you can add a little bit of salt first and then mix it up. Now the beans are all pasty, nice, and they're drying up. That's what we want. And I'm just gonna mash it a little bit. Add a little bit of cumin and a little bit of salt just to flavor it. And in the end, I'm gonna squeeze some lime, turn off that heat, and then mash it a little further. Yes, so we have the guac ready now. Mixed everything in, balanced it with the salt and the lime. Just a little bit of green chili left because I don't like it too spicy, but if you do, feel free to add all of it. So I kneaded the dough with some baking powder, some warm water, some olive oil and some salt, and now I'm rolling it out and then gonna cut it with this to give it like a proper round shape. So I already cut a few. I'll cut some more. And hot, and a tortilla is going on them. The tortilla making is completely your choice. You can or cannot make it. So I use 150. Is completely your choice. A kitchen duster to kind of press it. You don't want too much of a color, but because it's maida, it's not going to have too much of a color anyway. There you go. You can also use these tortillas. They're pretty good. You can make burritos out of it, and they stay for a while. Hey, so welcome to the best part about tacos, making the tacos. We're gonna make a few variations. We'll make one with scrambled eggs, some with grilled broccoli. The corn that we charred looks nice. So first is the refried beans. Put it on. Make sure your tacos are nice and soft. I mean, unless you like the hard shell tacos, but those should be fried. So put on some of the refried beans at the base. So all of them will have the same kind of construction. Lots of guac. It's good fat, so it's okay. Then I'm gonna put the scrambled eggs on one. So the scrambled eggs are just chili flakes, a little bit of cream, butter, some salt and some pepper. So this is more like a breakfast taco. Putting some fresh cheese. And maybe some corn. You can go wild with this. If you have some lettuce, you can make it healthier and add some lettuce. If you have chicken, you can make some grilled chicken, or you can put in some pulled pork if you have any. I don't have any of those things at home and I feel like eating vegetarian. So here goes this corn and broccoli. Some fresh cheese on this as well. And some cilantro. And the last one, I mean, you can make whatever you like, but let's go with corn. Lots of it. And some of this egg. No cheese here. Lots of coriander. Ta-da! There you go. Tacos.